Diopter adjustment. Eyepiece diopter to 0. Eye-cup adjustment. 10x or 12.5x wide-angle eyepieces. User selectable. With diopter adjustment and an adjustment system for eyeglass wearers. Interpupillary distance adjustment. Keep both eyes close to the eye cup. Distance adjustment knob. 254 ohm variable objective lens. 3 steps f5 steps magnification. 2.5x. 1x. 0.4x. 3 types of illumination modes. White light. Green filter. Blue filter. Light source brightness adjustment. Gross height adjustment and locking knob. Fine height adjustment handle. Turn the fine height adjustment handle to adjust the height. Fine focus handling. Adjust the binocular angle. 0 to 180 degree inclinable binocular head with interpupillary distance adjustment knob. 10x to 1 more 12.5x 18 mm eyepiece. Straight binocular head. Interpupillary adjustment knob. Rolling base with locking wheels is a highly portable industry standard with a clean, sleek design. Rolling base provides a stable platform and a 360-degree rotation.